You want to see that the market is not following through. How do you tell that? Because if it is following through, you can see it closes on the low. If it's not following through, you can see it does not close on the low. If it's following through to the upside, you can see it closes on the high, closing on the high, closing on the high. As it gets near to resistance, look at this. It's not following through. It's not closing on the high. Whew. I'm not able to find the place in which you make your daily analysis for the strategy of the day on your web page. That's right there on the main page. Don't know why you're missing that. Right side of the page. Look for daily trade videos. Will I be missing key information if I leave the summit early on Sunday afternoon? We are ending at 3. So no, you won't be missing anything because it's going to be over. And I'm going to end right at 3 so I can catch a flight as well. And really so everybody can kind of just get out of town. I'm situated in South Africa. I'm not sure how and with whom to trade here. I'm sure that I won't be able to trade with an account with a trade house in America, as I presume one has to have an American bank account to do so. Can you give me some pointers of what to do and where to look to open a trading account? You know what? I don't know in South America. I don't have any even suggestions over there. My suggestion would be to talk to a U.S. company and find out what their requirements are, or possibly going over to a European account, possibly maybe even Liechtenstein or Germany. Now I feel some amount of confidence to my trading ability and would like to think that with real money I might be able to do the same. Your videos on how to think what the large traders are thinking helps a great deal on my decision making and making some great moves. Can I expect to do the same with real money is the $80,000 question. And you won't know that answer to that until you actually get in there, which is why I suggest starting off with small amounts of money. Back on 9/6, I placed a pending order for a sell stop on the pound at 20173. Set my target level, but for some reason didn't get my stop loss set. The rookie mistake. Pound fell to my stop number and then headed the other way. Interbank automatically closed out my position when the pound hit 251. Causing me a $780 loss. So there's certain thresholds based on how much you have in your account, and once you hit that mark, they close your opinion. Absolutely. If you are in a trade, let's say you have $1,000. No, that's not good. If you have $1,200 in your account, and you have one regular lot, they will let you trade one regular lot. But if you lose, say, $201, they will liquidate the position because you do not have the margin available to hold the position any longer. Okay, so that's called margining you out. Most retail Forex brokers have that automatically set, and it's truly the one guarantee that they will give you is that if you don't have the margin, they'll get you out. Which kind of begs the question of if you're trying to get out, and this is another reason why I left FXCM. I had a trade. The trade was going south quickly. I placed 8 exit orders. They finally got me out when my margin reached a point where the margin was too big. I got margined out. So, given how FXCM trades, why could they not fill me up here? If I give you a market order, why can you not get me out up here? In fact, one of them, I placed an order to exit, literally, I'll give you an example. I placed an order to exit 2.0300, we'll say. That was my exit. And then they filled me at 2.0297. They margined me out at that level. Well, what's the difference? Are they trying to tell me that there was zero liquidity on a market order? And that's actually after placing 7 other exit orders. Just, it doesn't make sense. Absolutely makes no sense at all. Use a 3-rate strategy